Welcome everyone with another new video on our channel. Before going to our today's video, I would like to request all of you to please like our videos and share our videos. And please do subscribe our channel by hitting the bell icon also so that you can get the prior notifications of our upcoming video lectures. Nowadays, with the help of our news media and social media platforms, we are mostly aware of these three terms endemic, pandemic, and epidemic. Many people get confused with these terms, so I will try to make you understand the logic or the meaning behind these terminologies as well as the differences among them. So I will first introduce you with the endemic diseases. So, endemic diseases are constantly present in a particular geographic location among a certain group of population or group of people. It always maintains a steady state of infection and doesn't disappear from a population. It always remains in that population in a baseline level. So, for example, you can take the chickenpox occurrences at UK. It is always there at a maintaining at a steady state or a baseline level at UK. So at UK, chickenpox disease is an endemic disease. Now coming to the epidemic disease. So epidemic disease are not as endemic disease, although they also maintain a certain maintain or they are restricted to a certain geographical area, but they doesn't maintain any baseline level of infection. The infection rate is far more higher compared to the endemic diseases, and the epidemic diseases has always a tendency to spread to another countries at a at a larger or at a higher infection rate, causing more death or more infection cases. Now the pandemic diseases are a more cruel form of an epidemic disease. Pandemic disease occurs when an epidemic disease spread to many continents or all over the world. In that case, that diseases are known as pandemic. So the examples for epidemic and pandemic, I would like to introduce, or I would like to give the example of our burning problem, that is the COVID-19 or coronavirus. The coronavirus outbreak, it means the first report was at the Wuhan province of China. So in China, the coronavirus infection or COVID-19 infection at earlier stage was at an epidemic stage because it was restricted to Wuhan state, or you can say in China. So it was an epidemic, and the infection rate was higher. It had a tendency to spread among different countries, and that happened also. So now that COVID-19 or coronavirus cases are present in all over the world, so now the stage of the coronavirus infection became pandemic from the epidemic stage. So I hope all of you understood the meanings of these three terminologies as well as the differences. We always know that the cure for a disease is very crucial, but to get a cure or a complete solution for a disease or an infection is time deserving. So we should not wait for a vaccine, or we should not wait for a particular cure for this corona or COVID-19 virus. So for that, we always need to follow the quote that prevention is better than cure. So how do we prevent this coronaviruses or this infection? The detectives always starts with the crime scene first for their clues to solve the cases. So these COVID-19 cases or coronavirus cases was first out, the first reported outbreak was at Wuhan, at China. And the prevention is also present in the name of the place Wuhan. That is, wash your hands, use mask, have temperature checked regularly, avoid large crowds, never touch your face with your dirty hands. I hope all of you are taking these preventive measures. You are staying at home, staying safe. Another thing I would like to request all of you to please don't write or share any fake news over the social media platforms, and don't read also any fake news. Please, and again I will say, please like this video if you like it, or you can give us your suggestion or comment to the comment section, and please share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Stay safe. Bye.